Stone Floor Cleaning Dorking by Fabritec Stone Care. As a homeowner, you take pride in keeping your home clean and pristine. But when it comes to your natural stone floors, it can be a frustrating and daunting task. You've searched high and low for a reliable stone floor cleaning service in Dorking. But you can't find a company to meet your standards. When it comes to restoring the natural beauty of your stone surfaces, Fabritec Stone Care is your knight in shining armor. But we don't just stop at cleaning. We also offer a range of services to keep your floors looking their best, from sealing to polishing. Our natural stone cleaning methods are gentle yet effective, so you can rest assured that your floors are in good hands. So if you're tired of struggling to keep your stone floors clean, give Fabritec a call. We'll take care of everything from start to finish, leaving you with floors that shine like new. Get an estimate for stone and tile cleaning and restoration. Call 07798608640 now.